Sir, who named the air coswa? Mebo mo brief, dear Bruni Bessie summary. Na me mama summary ni wia na matrewo dear encrofor aircan. Inti no answer ne better so na me subscribe na click the notification bell no and no down screen so see here. We understand latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka. Na etie for summary ne any eya Ghana sofo kese a ye friend Eagle Prophet. Or a very controversial man. Endrechi video bi echo viral na Endrechi na eye Sunday. Video bi ko viral na Eagle Prophet de walk kan ewo video nim ne say enkrofo bi e de Kwame Eugene pictures akokoko baby bebre esumasie baby bebre na bomo botai ne say bomo pese bomo bre Kwame Eugene ase se ne Kwame Eugene wo koso e wo trese music career no enkrofo bi enyomo de bomo pese bomo bre na ase owie ya no e na wo de kan ho say Abrantia Kwame Eugene ankasa e wo say wo bompa ya emu odin because wan hwe ya by next year senior yaya sister nyankopon enfa ne kra ensie ye ebony efe mu ye no Kwame Eugene Ghana ye be sorry no ye nte asemde se Kwame Eugene wan hwe ya wo no so be wu the same way na Kwame Eugene be na adwen se wo ko ni krom na wo ko ni krom no kwan so a trese bo benya ka akwanhia na trese wa femu ewu na Eagle Prophet edit that prophecy we eba bonten no me be here to say news are reported on that particular thing. Na me kan dey me kan say me ye Christoni me ji prophecies di. But I believe say senior and saying pastors carry prophecies around no. That is not the way. Because we share a year Bible mo kran na e tell say a different kese na mo Bible mo those days Nyankopon eyi ade e tell mo a womoko nipako na Nyankopon eyi ade atrel mo afọ mo ho no womoko se nipako no ho akoka kire se nipako no se sei ene Nyankopon eyi atrel me afọ ho nti adan ena yese yesom Nyankopon na Bible no ena de bia ye de hweso asom Nyankopon a adan ena ye yusu sa Bible no nti mekra me de sa ade na eba adan ye yusu Bible no ne method adan ende Ghana asofu bebre womunya eyi tre efa nkrofo ho a no mo ababonten abeka bisusu se sa Ghana pastors yi womunya eyi tre efa wo mangasa wo mo awofo ho womunya eyi tre efa wo mo sisters so womunya eyi tre efa wo mo busuafo ho but yente why because wo mo babonten embeka ema yeni ayente inti se wonim se Kwame Eugene anasa akode Shatawale ena wonya eyi tre afa ne ho a what is preventing you the pastor from going to the person personally and speaking with the person and no enamentias here. Now, me pass a comment where you know in Kofu Bebre Ekase and clear Abrantia Wakasa ye. I have monitored a lot of comments from a lot of Ghanaians on social media. Now, a bimubwe for ye papa for an easy. Bush Ghana for so far. I've not seen any single person. Wobo pastor na baso say pastor why you are there send your one prophecy no why you are there I have not seen womuni na obia bo pastor nechi obia bo pastor nechi say hey ade na wonko ande de bia prophecy ya wo behu no wo bi iwu ade na wonko ande eno de me meka say bia enya pastor na nkasa ne pe na wodi hu those prophecies no ena me sanso aboso say the enti Ghana for kra ebimo eka say pastors ne de bia prophecies a wo mu hu eye owuo ene nyama bone nko ano the enti a nkrofo eka san no ena nkrofo no so mu di kan say o meka san na the enti nkrofo ne ka san ne say pastors no ase owuo de ne pe no mo ba bonten ebeka se wo bi bedi ya wo mo ba bonten ya meka nti e ma wo bi ehu ne say wo owuo de pe ena wo mu hu ba me gidi say wo mu hu say wo bi nso ebeden ebedi ye. In the senior ye dear no woman babonten embeka no I don't expect say owo dear no so me babonten abeka munko hu ni patrono na mon country no na Ghana fo Jalai papa Ghanaian celebrities say Jalai ebi mo so they are not attacking the pastors but me hu say bebre na Ghanaian celebrities no bebre na wo mo posti Kwame Eugene picture e social media na asema wo mo ka and say Kwame Eugene don't worry Kwame Eugene, don't worry, God is with you. I have seen a lot of people post that. Kwame Eugene, means through Nyankopon enewo ewo ho. Ebi mo so ka say Ghana pastors they are dying. mu de bia atrese inyama bone nko na muhu na one popular person na wo Facebook blogger was also a post e wo YouTube your friend Beskar Nana Prempeh. I have seen the video na the video bia wa ye no over 2 hours long nini na ejina assembly so etie for Beskar Nana Prempeh de wo kan ne numu nsem e say wo di attend the pastor ne kra atem say seven prayers as pastor no wo ni nyansa we Jimmy na the followers ni so Jimmy say utumi say ebufo abem na rightfully so ebufo bepem because the way the pastors are channeling this thing is not right. Ya kan ho asem sa pastors na adamu ni aso nti de bia mo kana Ghana fo di mo atem no sa na mo pena na okwakan. Then most of the pastors will hide behind the saying say nyankopon yi kire me no nyankopon ka kire me say me begina abonte na menka masa jai na nyankopon an kan tell say begina bedwem na kan eya mun jai say mo de nipa adwen di agro because you are pastors and because God reveals things to you no na ma shada de bia ka ho say nyankopon na de ka kire mo say mo mbra abonte me ka mesra mo nyankopon wan ka sa kwa mi Eugene dia no me share video no me crampo enyamio but me share video na me yem share say me. And people also believe in things like that. One say words carry spirit. Eto de bia ebony dia wo ye anko focus pastors ne kan no. Ebi mo kra ejidi say senior pastors ne kan dia na ebony nso wo jitu mu no because ebony ye nyanti ye say na wo jitu mu na wo ka kire the management team ne ka say wo no ebony de wonim say wo nyi nche wonim say enche bo bewu na say waji atum nti ebi mo ka kan say senior pastors no e ka kire ebony na nkasa wo jitu mu no e na eye adwuma saa because words are powerful. Beskar Nana Prempeh even said the same thing. No say words are powerful. Nti pastors we wo mo ka saa de na obehu say it takes effect because words are powerful. We be to say Abraham Vermoche ono de work kan and say pastors ya to make us assembly na esan say pastors no pese Ghana for agi omudi say eya ne krani nti no obehu say wo mo ankasa pastors no wo mo akochi akojuju so akoye say nkrofo no wo mo nya de wo mo nwu na nkrofo ni wa na wa ba bonti abeka say mekan obekwa akotwem na pastors ya na tese wo mo de nkrofo yi akobebi akoye omo. And no one send there mean to me can. But what I can say and they say yes, Ramo asofo mo ka hona day in day out in grofo lose interest in Christianity. Ejuma ne de e wo ho na wo mo beye no e na tre say yesu. Inti no if for nothing at all na we should be doing things that ebema engrofo abeka Christosom ho. And then me tell say the number of youth that lose interest in Christianity no enye easy. Na no these pastors are to take part of the blame. Senya ye nyama no enye eya the yenka. I've also seen video from a lot of Nana JB, me who video from Nana JB. I've seen videos from Mame Ngege. Just say in Kofu Bebre. So I same way Americans say make the first time I met you. Maybe Sunday na met you. So Sunday na the first time I met you and me yem shame. Emma kwami na me kwami me ni me wo baby wo nye me busuani. Ba be ka me yem shame. Say na pastor ne kan ade no. Me yem shame. Okwase fear and panic. And the madam for be ba me ho. Madam for na wo ba me ho no so wo ye sofo. Na wo ba me ho aye bon komoda na me ka tell say, "Hey, what the aba? Iko prophet the prophecy about." I say we Kwame Eugene will be free then and madam for the cracker say abba aden 7 prayers and cause assemble no madam for now no oya so for no or no cry. That was his response. I say aden 7 prayers in cause assemble cry no one no cry wo ye pastor wo nim Kwame Eugene will be no one no cry no etone so the yemshi no because on no there was say ono de ya hre no ene se uru ade efa wo bi hu a eye nipa ko na we hu afa ne ho aden na wo ka tra mansan ka tra nipa ko na nkasa na memba abonten ya be kan tra mansan inti edifo ya sre mo se ne me din kan no me Kristoni say and that me try say I don't believe in prophecy na me twa wontro but yes tremo the way you go about these things also go a long way in helping the Christianity faith. Na say Christopher ye betena se ahwe se asofo bi omuni ye bi ntino ene na kwa me say we Kofi Kinata kokan no asofo na nsei wo mo be yesebe nsemfun wo ba bonten na wo be blast yo mo pe o mo say ya tro Bible mo say touch not my anointed na it say touch not my anointed no eno na say wo mo didi nsemfun. I seen a video from Miss Bell and so wo mo so atutu bia mane Eagle Prophet man so far videos are made hu there Ghana for atutu bia ma Eagle Prophet wo mo atutu bia mane papa enye easy na ne name no me meka say Eagle Prophet was say we hear the needful the needful in same way now this is not the first time I watch it say be nipa ye kasasa now they also wuntia ebe see them oh your pastor won so be too obi so we be ntia how you also feel intino we nia no won fan sia de mesre no next time onya prophecy bi say ya one friend nipa ko management team no one can try ana ade we ka na ka Eagle Prophet wo de obeka say wuntumi en contact Kwame Eugene na ka se nia wo ba bonten beka na ka wo de ka say wenya yi kire e wo Kwame Eugene ho na wo sre wo bia wonim Kwame Eugene no one try so be contact wo Eagle Prophet na ka me gidi say Kwame Eugene na ka be contact wo Eagle Prophet dan say wo cause fear and panic na se nia nyama ekeka kono me nyanti ye say parliament ayomo adwo say things like this are asofo ye no wo mo pese wo mo criminalize no na ade we me am ye Kristo ni kra no mefo aso say indeed wo mo nya ne sa na the pastors nsisi a wo mo ye na enye internet for eno ene nsema eda ho mo ntre mo adwen e wo comment box ti mu e man me da say